Hi, today we are going to learn about a load balance in EC2 and how the load is balanced among different instances. But before that, we have to understand three basic concepts in EC2. So first of it is AMI. So AMI is the full form is Amazon Machine Image. So basically, it provides the information required to launch an image. So whenever you create an instance, you need to define an AMI, so that which AMI should be used to create the particular instance. Okay, so these AMIs you can create your own. You can take from marketplace for which charging is on hourly basis, or you can use the default AMI which already exists in EC2 environment. Okay. So AMI can be in a registered state, deregistered state after creation, and either you can launch an instance or you can copy an AMI to create a new AMI from your old AMI. Okay. Next is target group. So target group is basically used to route your request to one or more registered targets, and you can define health checks for your load balancer on per target group basis. Okay, so today we are going to implement this particular deployment model whereby you have a load balancer, you have a target group, you have two instances on which communication is going. You have a launch template, and from launch template you are connected via AMI. Okay, so launch template I already told in previous tutorial. I will share in link how to create a launch template, and we will create AMI here. Okay, and then we will create target group. Okay, so let's create a AMI. So here I already have an instance running. Okay, so in RHEL, this instance is basically a RHEL instance. So I click on it. Okay, go to actions, go to image. So I am telling you the easiest method to create an image and template. So the easiest way to do it is, first let's say we create a template. So I will name it as my IRHEL template. Okay, other configuration I will leave as is. So see here, Amazon machine image is RHEL. Okay, so is the same one which I used to create an instance. I didn't change it for now. So here is the resource tag, which basically is the name of my instance which will be created. Auto assign public I am enabling, and then create launch template. So the launch template is created. Let's go and check. Okay, so it's created. Next thing what I am going to do is create an AMI. So benefit of creating the AMI is that it will contain all the installers and everything inside it. Okay, which is not the case in case of launch template. So I will go to actions, images, create image. So my RHEL image, I'm leaving other detail as is. I'm creating an image. So usually creating an image takes some time. So it will take around 3-4 minutes. Okay, let's go to launch templates. Select the launch template, actions, launch instance from template, number of instances I will give as 3. Okay, source template version I'm using 2, and in advanced settings in user data I'm removing unnecessary steps. So what I am doing is I'm pasting these steps, whereby I am just redirecting the output of instance ID to index.html and starting the server. So I will put it in user data, launch instance from template. Okay, let's see here. I have 3 servers which is in pending state. I have mentioned 3 instances in my template. So let's wait till these instances get started. Okay, so my instances are created. Now what I have to do is I have created the instance launch template AMI. Now I have to create a target group. So here our target will be these 3 servers which we have created from the template. Okay, so let's go here and create target groups. Target group. So what I am doing is I am selecting the target group on instances. I can select IP and lambda. We will be covering the details in later theoretical session. So target group name is my RHEL TG. Okay, what we are doing is HTTP port 80. We are accessing HTTP port 80 on this load balancer. Okay, I am leaving this as is. Health check I am putting as is. See here for healthy threshold, so I am putting it as 2. I am reducing it. Okay, and let's say interval I will put as 15 seconds. So in 30 seconds my node will be in healthy state. Okay, next, select all the instances, include as pending below. Okay, and see health status is pending. Okay, so I will create a target group. Let's go to target group once again and see target group is not configured to receive traffic from the load balancer. So what I need to do next is I need to create a load balancer. Okay, so here we will go to load balancer, create load balancer. We have application, we have network, we have gateway, and we have classic load balancer. So in this example we are taking application load balancer. We are using application load balancer. Okay, so my RHEL APLB, application load balancer. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm selecting these two availability zone. Okay, I am not changing any security setting as of now. Okay, I will select this and these two security groups. I have an existing target group, so in target group I have to select existing target group, and it will select my RHEL target group, register targets. Next, create, close. Okay, so my load balancer is getting provision. So meanwhile I will go to the target group and check the status of my instances and keep refreshing. See, target registration is in progress, so it changed the health status. So it will take 1 minute because in healthy note we have given it will check 2 times and the duration will be 30 seconds. So let's wait. Okay, so now I have 3 instances which is in healthy state. Okay, now let's see the load balancer. Okay, my load balancer has this DNS. Okay, and remember we have mentioned port 80 through which we can access the HTTP URL. So I will copy this DNS and we will go to instances. Okay, so there are 3 instances running. Let me filter based on instance state. So running. Okay, see here 2C2 791 and B23. So I will copy and paste it here. See here what it is giving, it is giving the instance ID of 3 servers. Okay, so as you know we have associated our load balancer with target group, which in terms is associated with your instances, and all your instances are currently in running state. So if we see 91C62E. Okay, now let me do one thing. I will go here and stop a instance terminate. So I'm stopping 791. Okay, let's see what will happen now in the instance. So this is load balancer. Through load balancer we go access the target group, and through target group we access the instance. So that's all for this load balancer session. Thank you for watching.